Stop. Would you understand if your boss shouted, "Watch out," or "Hard hat on"? If not, you could be in danger. Today, I'll teach you the English words and phrases you need to stay safe on a construction site. Let's get started. Construction work is dangerous. Machines, tools, heavy loads. One wrong move and someone gets hurt. That's why English safety language is so important. In this lesson, you'll learn safety equipment words, warning words and phrases, and boss's instructions. And at the end, you'll practice with me. First, safety equipment. Repeat after me. Helmet, hard hat, gloves, boots, high-vis vest, safety glasses, ear protection. So for example, put on your hard hat means wear your helmet. If I say put on your gloves, do you take them off or wear them? Yes, you wear them. On site, people shout short warnings. Learn these. Stop means don't move. Look out! Danger is coming. Be careful. Work slowly, no mistakes. Move back means step away. Example, look out, crane overhead means be careful, a crane is above you. If you hear move back, do you walk forward? No, you step back. Supervisors give short orders. Understand them. Lift it together means work as a team to lift it. Clear the area means move out, it's not safe. Wear your PPE, personal protective equipment, helmet, gloves, boots, etc. Report it now. Tell your boss if something is broken or dangerous. For example, clear the area, machine working means move away, it's dangerous. If you hear report it now, do you keep quiet? No, you tell the boss. Now, practice with me. I say the boss's words, you say what they mean. Ready? Wear your hard hat. What does it mean? Yes, it means put on your helmet. Look out. So yes, there's danger. Clear the area means yes, move away. Safety is life. If you don't understand, you risk injury. Learn these words, use them, and stay safe. Subscribe now for more English for construction workers. Comment below, which safety phrase do you use the most? Stay safe, speak English, and see you in the next lesson.